This is Keep Calm and Borrow on Kanopy. To get started, go to our library website and find eLibrary. Under eLibrary, select Kanopy. Under Getting Started, choose Sign Up. This brings you to the Kanopy page, where it tells you that you get 5 films per month. Click Add Library Card. This is where you enter your full library card number, no spaces. Then click Continue. Here, enter your first name and last name. Then enter your email address. Be sure that you have access to this email address because you will need to confirm your Kanopy account before you can gain access. Enter a password. This can be a unique password or one you've used before. Then click Sign Up. Once you've confirmed your account, you can click Login. Enter your email and password, and click Login. You can browse by movie cover or search by keyword. Let's look for the title, Life Itself. The Life of Roger Ebert, and there it is. You can also search by an actor. Let's look for Saoirse Ronan. You can also browse by category. Click on Browse and choose from the drop-down menu. Videos check out for 72 hours. Titles are available to stream via web browser. There's a free app on Apple, Android, and Kindle devices. Look for the Kanopy app in your app store. You can also stream with Apple TV, Roku, and Chromecast devices. When you find a title you'd like to see, you can hover over the cover image or click. Here you can learn more about the film, read a description, and look at the movie runtime. You can also add to my list and view more options. If you'd like to view the movie, click the play button. Remember, this will play the movie and check it out to you. It will not show you a preview. Kanopy gives you several playback options. You can speed up the film, or slow it down. You can also view closed captions and change to full screen. You can also search by movie studio. Take A24. By clicking on the movie studio, you can see all of the films that are available on Kanopy. You can also add to your watch list while you're browsing. Simply hover over the cover image and click My List. See what's on your watch list by going to your name and then selecting My Watch List. By selecting the Viewing History tab, you'll see all of the films that you've viewed most recently. I hope you've enjoyed this introduction to Kanopy. If you have any questions, please contact us via our library website.